Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, See Troy Does It. Today my video is going to focus on overcoming adversity in the garden. Last year my garlic patch became contaminated with that fungus, white rot. Man, I was devastated. I lost a few heads of garlic and I can't plant garlic there anymore. Now that was the best place I had to plant. That's where all the sun was and the ground was quite fertile. You see, my yard has very tall cedar trees, and with cedar trees come shade and roots. There is not much room left to plant anything. Now I wasn't gonna let that stop me. I decided it was time to make some planters. So I made planters out of sewer pipes. Now my brother-in-law was wondering if I would get used sewer pipes. Why? Because it already comes with manure, he said. Think about that. I went out and got myself some new sewer pipes. I can find my manure somewhere else, if you know what I mean. Well, come on guys, let's head outside. I'll show you how I made those planters. Oh, by the way, meet my friend Squirrel. He said he'd like to get in on the videos. So I said, sure. I mean, how much trouble could a squirrel be? They're cute, they're hardworking, and the best part is, they're quite lovable, just like me. So I think it should work out quite well. I mean, right? Squirrel! Are you kidding me? We just got started, man! Squirrel proof camera. This is where I have the most sun exposure in my yard. This piece of wall is pretty much doing nothing, so I decided to use it to put planters on. The first thing I did was go down to my local hardware store and purchase 8-inch sewer pipes. I took my miter saw, cut the ends off. I had to draw a straight line down the sewer pipe so I can cut the top off. So I made a guide 6 inches wide, put it on the top, and drew my line straight down the length of the pipe. I took my reciprocating saw, or sawzall, whichever one you want to call it, and cut down the length of the pipe. Now I have my opening, 6 inches wide. The thing is, I would like to get it wider. I'm going for 8 inches. So then I took some 2x4s, cut them down to 8 inches, and I wedged them down the length of the sewer pipe 1 foot apart. So now my entire length down the sewer pipe is 8 inches. I've got to make some end caps. Also, I need to make some dividers. This seems like a good vintage. Tastes kind of woody. Oh well. Okay, time to get back to it. I decided to make legs for my planters. Now this is where it gets interesting. This fire just wouldn't start. What the heck? Boom, there we go. It's like magic. Actually, I put some accelerant in there. That's why I was so cautious. Okay, so what I need to do is get this fire hot. And it just would not.
Excuse me? What?
Booyah! There we go.
He's gone completely crazy.
I showed you. Ow! That's hot. Yeah, that just happened. Okay, gotta leave the leaf blower there. My fire is nice and hot now. What I'm doing is expanding the sewer pipe. And there we go. It's expanded to 8 inches. I got some polyurethane and clear coated my dividers and my end caps. Sanded my sewer pipe. And oh yeah, gotta make sure I clean up all the plastic. And painted my pipes brown. I took my drill, put some countersink, line up the middle with the hole, drill a pilot hole. Here I'm using ceramic coated deck screws so they wouldn't rust. Time to do the next side. Now we gotta do the dividers in the middle. So measure down the length of the pipe, find the middle. Put my dividers in. Make sure it's nice and plumb. And drill my pilot holes again. The main part of the planter is completed. Next I need to attach the legs. Drill pilot holes. Take ceramic screws and fasten them. Next I drilled some drainage holes about 6 inches apart. Time to fill it up with soil. I mixed my own soil for a good drainage balance. I added some azomite for micronutrients and some bone meal for good root development. Planting my garlic 8 inches apart. All that's left is to water them. Fantastic. I am all done. What? Really? Okay, 2-minute break. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hold on. Don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. Click the button. Subscribe. See, Troy does it. Again. Okay, Squirrel. That's a wrap. Let's go. See, Troy out.
Wait,
What?
the prescription.
No, I already said that.
For real?
Yeah, I already told them that.
Because I got more stuff to show.
They'll click the button.
The camera didn't show my best side.
I know you want them to see you again.
But what if?
Wait a second. Whose video is this? This is my video.
Come on, do it again. Come on, do it again.
They'll
I don't think they heard you,
They'll
man.
click the button.
what if like a plane fell
Oh,
from the
come
sky?
on, Squirrel Man. Seriously? You want me to tell them again?
Come on, do it for me, man. You know we type like nuts.
People, for the love of squirrels, just click the button.
That's what I'm talking about.